All right, lovely September day here in Edmonton, Alberta. It's been a wonderful fall. Last weekend was rain, and this weekend is snow. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna do something to cheer myself up. I'm gonna get Old Blue running today. So that's gonna be the goal. We'll hook up a jerry can just like I did before and get it running. Everyone can hear it run on straight pipes, and then you know, I'd sure like to take it for a drive around the yard, but of course I don't have all the air lines done yet. Still missing a couple tires, but that'll be the goal. Let's get her running in the snow. All right, so I got my new fuel tank set up. Now I'm just gonna give it a little prime. Okay, battery's hooked up. I think we are just about ready. Okay, give her a go. Holy shit! God, this thing starts good. Nice and loud though. Gonna smoke me out of here. Got good oil pressure. Down and check in the oh, sounds good. I can't wait to get some nice 8-inch stacks on her. Look at that. See what happens when you add DEF? Look how clean she runs. Got me going. Maybe I will keep working on her in the snow after all. Let's try the bird. Let's try the old jigs. They're sticking a little. We'll let her warm up and run a bit more before I do that again. Beautiful September day. Sounds pretty good.